What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be installing something to the truck. Let me pull it out the truck and then I'll show you guys what it is. We're gonna be installing some HornBlasters, train horns or air horns, whatever you guys want to call it. This is the part number of this train horn. It's a Conductor Special 244 Nightmare Edition HK S4244K. Let me go ahead and open it up and then show you guys how they look. Oh man, I don't know if you guys are ready for this. So it comes with 4 horns. They're all different sizes. What is this? I guess it's just something a little extra. Here's their little small tank. I think this is what is it, 3 gallons? Yeah, I think it's 3 gallons, I'm not sure. This is just the parts for everything that it comes with. The air valve, the fitting kit, the 250 psi gauge, the pressure switch, all that. I'm gonna be installing some train horns on the truck. I'm thinking of mounting it on the spare tire because I don't have the spare tire no more. I don't need it because of, you know, these big wheels that I have. So let me show you guys back here real quick. So this is where I'm gonna be mounting it since I don't have the tire no more. I do have it, but it's in the bed. I did not buy the spare tire kit that it comes with because I wanted to make my own. I'll see how I managed to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to Home Depot and see what we can find to mount the train horns on, the compressor, and then the tank and all that on the back. So let's go ahead and go to Home Depot right now. Never mind guys, Home Depot is looking like a no-no. So I ended up waiting in line. It took a long time. I don't know why there was a lot of people there, but there was. And let me show you guys what I got from Home Depot. So I got this sheet metal. It's 24 by 24. It's a 16 gauge. It's not that thick, but you know, it's not that flexible. Hopefully it holds up the train horns and the compressor and the tank. I'm gonna try to do everything on this sheet metal. And I didn't know if I had the bolts or any of that here at home, but you know, I just you know, went and purchased some bolts and nuts. I think these are a little too big, but you know, if they don't work, then I can just return them. So now that I came back from Home Depot, let's go ahead and start up on the train horns. Alright guys, so this is like a mock-up of what I was thinking. I'm not sure if this sheet metal is gonna be able to hold everything. I'm not sure yet. I was thinking of like putting like a piece of a cube pole right here in between this, so whenever the hitch is coming down, it will like clamp it from the bottom and then, you know, pick it up. So that was my idea. I'm still gonna go with it. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try, and if it doesn't work, then we'll try something new. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I had things that I had to go take care of, so I had to end the video a little early. It's the next day and I'm back, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the drain valve. So whenever this gets full of water, you know, moisture and all that, we'll be able to come out. Put the safety valve now for the air to come out. You're gonna put this underneath. Put a little bit of Teflon tape. Put the air gauge. I think it's this one. Yep. Look at that. Looks really nice. Go ahead and put it right here. So I know this is like upside down, but I did that on purpose because whenever I mount it, I'll be able to see it right. Okay, so now we're gonna need this pressure switch. I don't know if you guys can see it. You have to grab this little piece right here. It has a little entrance. Go ahead and put it on here. Inch hose. We'll install it here, and then it's gonna go that way to the train horn. Our solenoid. Open it up. So you're gonna get the other one. It should be two of them, 1/2 inch, and then put it right here. See how it has this arrow right here? This is gonna go towards the train horns, so don't do that mistake. You know, you're gonna put this hose from the tank in here, and going out to the train horns. So we're gonna grab this piece now. This is where these small hoses are gonna come in from the train horns, the air horns, train horns, and then you're gonna put it on the solenoid right here. So just screw it in. Okay guys, so now that I have pretty much everything assembled, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my sheet metal and start mocking up everything together on that sheet metal before I start cutting hoses and mounting the air horns on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mock everything up and see how it's gonna go. Start making holes on the sheet metal and start connecting everything, and like that it'll be better for me. I'm probably gonna do like a two-part video of me installing everything. The other part's gonna be of me wiring everything up, but on this video we're gonna assemble everything. This is probably how I'm gonna end up mocking it up. It seems like this is the only best way that I can install these train horns. So I mocked it up. As you guys can see the little marks that I did of where I'm gonna drill all the holes. Okay guys, now they're mounted and they won't move. Now that I have the compressor all tied in, right here I'm gonna get like a grinder, and like I was gonna make this hole right here, but I don't have a bigger one, so I can't do that. So what I'm gonna do is make a big square, so like whenever I have to like pull this down or something, I'll just, you know, I'll have room. But I'll do that in a little bit. So let's go ahead and put the compressor on now. Okay guys, there you go. Everything's in place. It's not gonna move nowhere. Hopefully not. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut like a really big square right here, so we can put this in the middle and then try to pull it up. So I don't have a grinder to cut these little square. I thought I did, but I don't, so I'm kind of struggling to get that little square. All right guys, so it's the next day. As you guys can see, it looks a lot better than yesterday when it was cloudy outside. So let's go ahead and continue on where I left off, where I was letting you guys know that I was having trouble on trying to cut this because I didn't have a grinder to cut this little square for the hitch right here that's gonna go here, for the hitch, for the thing that was holding the spare tire. So let me go ahead and clean this up a little bit more, and to make it a little bit perfect and not look so ugly. There you go. Looks a lot better than it was before. So let's go ahead and mount the horns back on, and then we'll start rerouting the hoses to the horns and everything. So I got it all assembled now. I got the hole in the bottom. I'm gonna start on the hose down to the bottom to where the inlet are at. What I was thinking that I'm gonna do is maybe bring it down all the way between here through this bracket, and then push it in through that hole right there, because as you guys can see, the hole's big. So I'm gonna see if it fits there, and if it does, then that'll, you know, it'll make it, I guess, of a cleaner look when bringing it down and then putting it through there. And then from there we'll, you know, connect it from the bottom, as you guys can see right here on the diagram right here. So I went ahead and routed it from the bottom. Like I told you guys, you know, there's still space in the bottom there, so I can still pull the lever over there. So I can still pull it down over there. It's gonna be sticking out a little bit like this, because if I keep pushing it in, the hose will start bending. So like I did here, this hose started bending right here, as you guys can see. This came with the kit. Thank you so much, HornBlasters. This cut it like how easy. Went ahead and turned it around. It comes with this 90-degree inlets right here. These are just gonna go right here, as you guys can see. We're gonna do that, and then the hoses are gonna, the small hoses go here. The hoses that it comes with. These hoses, we're gonna route them to the solenoid right here, and then that's it. Grab this solenoid, and I was thinking of putting it right here right now. You just give me an idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it here where this bolt is at, and this is how it's gonna look. And then we'll route the smaller hoses right now. Okay guys, so that should be it for this part one of this video. As you guys seen, I installed everything to the little sheet metal that I bought from Home Depot. Hopefully it works, and if not, then I just did all that work for no reason, and I'm gonna have to go with something thicker. But I hope, please, I hope it works and it doesn't like bend or anything. If not, then I'll probably just get like another sheet of metal of the same one, and then just stack it up to that other sheet of metal, and hopefully that doesn't bend it. But that's it for this part of the video. You guys seen everything of installing it. Next part's of me wiring everything up to the truck. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below, and hopefully you guys like what you guys are watching. Peace.